I smell something delicious. How to be a writer is the second most popular career search in the world after how to be a pilot in Google search data. Did you know? Have you ever wondered how to turn your writing skills into a full-time career? Imagine this. You wake up in the morning, you grab your favorite cup of coffee instead of rushing out there to a 9 to 5. You stay right there in your bed, in your pajamas, you grab your laptop and you start writing to clients all over the world. That sounds like a dream, right? It doesn't have to be a dream. Whether you're a seasoned writer or you're just starting out, today I'm going to show you how you can turn that dream into reality with these top platforms that you can start out as a freelance writer. And make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm going to share with you a top secret that even most freelance writers know nothing about. And trust me, this secret can skyrocket your income. You don't want to miss out on this. Instead of the favorite cup of coffee, I'll prefer to go with a glass of wine. Yeah. Freelance writing is one of the most flexible careers out there. You can set your own working hours, you can work from anywhere across the world, and you can write about the topics that you're most passionate about. But to be successful, you need to know where to get these clients, and this is where these platforms come in. If this is your first time on my channel and you're wondering, who the heavens is she? Hi, my name is Claudia Fonguh and this is my YouTube channel. On this channel, we talk about everything small business ideas, side hustle ideas, how you can earn money online and how you can build wealth. So we are all about finding new ways you can earn money from the online space. If these are the kind of content you're interested in, consider to click on the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on our other tips and tricks on how you can earn money from the online space. Welcome back to my channel and thank you for your loyalty. I appreciate the fact that you always click on that play each time you see my video. Thank you so much. I do not take you all for granted. Now let's dive into the platforms that you can use to land your first gig as a freelance writer. Do not forget, we have the top secret to skyrocket your freelance writing hustle at the end of this video. The first platform that you can get gigs as a freelance writer is called UPWORK, and UPWORK is like a Walmart for freelance writers. It's massive, it has a lot of varieties, but sometimes it's overwhelming. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to stand out and get the best jobs on UPWORK. So come with me. For you to stand out on UPWORK, you must accomplish two factors. Now, UPWORK is a very competitive platform for freelance writers, but if you accomplish this too, then you would stand out on this platform. First, you must work with at least 2 clients, and secondly, you must complete 2 eligible jobs in 24 months. It seems a long time, but you need recommendations from the client you have worked with. When you accomplish this, then you would boost your visibility, you would win more clients, and you would also level up on your success. Now, for you to watch or learn more about this, you can come right here and click on watch how it works. The second platform where you can become a freelance writer is called FIVERR, and FIVERR is a go-to platform if you want to offer special services like I will write your blog post in an hour for $5. $5. Or I will write your story for $1,000 in a month or for 2 weeks. It all depends on you. So FIVERR is all about those eye-catching gigs. Now come along with me and take a look. Let's explore writing on Fiverr. Right here we have article and blog post, we have content strategy, we have website content, we have script writing, creative writing, podcast writing, speech writing, research, and summarize. You can go through all of this and select what you're interested in. Let's click right here on script writing. Right here you would see what your competitors are doing in the market. Over here we have I will provide detailed notes on your screenplay for $50. And right here we have I will research and write a script for your YouTube videos for $10. Now take a look at the eye-catching images and the eye-catching description. Right here we have I will be the best professional writer for your YouTube script for $10. We have over here for $5, and if you scroll through you're gonna see different prices for different things that freelance writers are offering here on Fiverr. Now one thing I want you to note is the stars on each writer. Some we have 5.0, some we have 4.9, and I haven't seen any beginner right here. But if you want to begin as a freelance writer on Fiverr, then you need to reduce the price that you task your client. This is so that you can draw more clients to you. You need a portfolio to be able to stand out on Fiverr. You cannot come into Fiverr and put in the same prices that people with 5.0 stars are putting. You just have to reduce yours so that you can get more clients, build your portfolio, and start earning and getting better paid freelance writing gigs. The third platform where you can become a freelance writer is called PROBLOGGER. PROBLOGGER is where the serious clients hang out. I will compare PROBLOGGER to a social media platform like LinkedIn. This is where you find gigs that will pay you what you're worth. Think of it as a 𝐷𝐿𝐿 section for freelance writing. I smell some special delicacy. I think my mom should have prepared a special meal today in the village. Let's get back to business. Come along with me. There are two ways to find a freelance writing job on PROBLOGGER. Click right here on keyword, type in your keyword, put in your location, click on filter results, and you'll get your result. Or you could just go through the screen, read the jobs right there, and select yours. Right here we have freelance writers anywhere in the world. It was posted on the 30th of August, new and still available. iGaming writers and editors anywhere in the world on the 30th of August, new and still available. Here we have writers and editors in New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania. So you must be in any of these states to get that job. Click right here on any of the jobs and then you read the details like here. Click on iGaming writers and editors and you can read the details of this job. The location, the job type, the category, the description, whatever this client need of you, and also your pay definitely will be included in the full description. So it's up to you. Whatever job you're interested in, just click on it and then you read the requirements and see if that is what you can do as a freelance writer. Oh my god, I still perceive the aroma from my mom's food. Okay, so you can read through or you go back to the main page and select another one if you're not satisfied with the jobs or the description of the job from this client. So you can start your journey here and earn money as a freelance writer from PROBLOGGER. The fourth platform where you can become a freelance writer is called Container. Container is a treasure chest of freelance writing opportunities. It's a paid service, but it will offer you one of the highest paying gigs on freelance writing, and also it will offer you resources to succeed. Take a look. Container is the #1 site for writing professionals. So you want to take this opportunity. Right here, you do not only get to earn on this platform, you also improve on your writing skills. There are a lot of articles on this platform that will help you to improve on your writing skills. So you'll be earning money and you'll also be learning to improve your writing skills. There are a lot of articles on this platform that you can use to improve your writing skills. Like right here, we have the most profitable freelance writing niche, what you can select to write on. We have others, and there are a lot of people earning a lot of money on Container because they were able to learn from this platform and also earn money through the platform. But the only sad thing about this platform is that depending on the network you have, you might not be able to access it because the network for Container is private, and especially for those of you who are using Wi-Fi. But if you're using your personal network, then you can be able to access Container. The fifth platform where you can become a freelance writer is called the freelance writing jobs. If you're looking for something old, then freelance writing jobs is the way to go. It is old, it is classic, and it's a mentor or like a mentor to other freelance platforms. Just a little more. Now let's take a look. Here on freelance writing jobs, we have writing gigs, we have get paid more, we have resource for writers, business tips, job hunting tips, we have online portfolio, writing tips, and others. If you want a job, click right here on daily job list. Right here we have fully remote companies hiring freelance writers. Now right here, these are the daily job lists for freelance writing jobs. Alright, so just scroll through and select whatever job you're looking for. We have jobs, we have the date, and we have the description of the job. Alright, so when you click on the job, it's going to take you to the job site and the full description that is related to the job in this platform. Alright, so you can take your chance today as a freelance writer and start earning money using freelance writing jobs. Now that you know some of these platforms, let me give you the tips and tricks to help you succeed. Your profile is your resume, so make it shine, highlight your best work, use keywords that clients are searching for, and make sure that any photo you put on your profile is a professional photo. Now, do not be afraid to start with smaller gigs. Smaller gigs will help you to build a portfolio because most of the bigger gigs, they always want to have your portfolio before they trust you with works for like $1,000, $2,000, or for you to be able to work with big companies. So start with small gigs and build a portfolio over time. And from the small gigs, you're going to get big gigs that you would earn more. Now, I want you to note this. Freelance writing is a marathon. It's not a sprint. So keep applying, keep improving, and most importantly, keep writing. And now, the secret I told you about. And this secret will help you skyrocket your income on this freelance writing journey. But before we get into that, if you haven't clicked on that like button and subscribed, please do, and also click on that notification bell so you will not miss out on our other videos. And please go down to the comment section and drop a beautiful comment for me. Let me know that I share information of value with you all. And if you can, make sure you share this video with your friends, your family, and on your social media platforms with the S. Right? And now, the secret in full. Pitch your freelance writing skills to clients. Now, getting gigs directly from this platform is a great way to start, but you also want to pitch about your writing skills to companies. I've learned that a lot of freelance writers have gotten their highest paying gigs directly from pitching to companies. And you can search for these companies online. If you want to know how you can search for these companies, let me know on the comment section, and I'm going to create a special video on how you can search for these companies from the online space. Also, research for companies that align with your niche. Another thing you want to do is to make sure you send them an email and tell them how you can improve or give value to their companies. A lot of these companies are looking for freelance writers, but they want to see what you can do and the value you can add to their companies. Now, I want you to know this. Getting gigs directly from a company can pay you a lot of money, but from the platforms, you mostly get individuals who want you to be their freelance writers or small startup companies and all that. But the bigger companies will want to see an email and know how much value you can add to their company. So try as much as possible to send them an email and pitch about yourself. And remember, the highest person that will talk good about your work begins from you. So you have to talk about how good you are so that others too can talk about how good you are. You can also pitch about your freelance writing skills to your neighbors, to your friends, to your family, and you can get companies to hire you as their freelance writer. Remember, this strategy can help you earn a long-term contract with some of these companies, and also you can become a salary earner as a freelance writer that you can write from anywhere across the globe at your own time, and then maybe at the comfort of your home, at your 9 to 5 job, or whatever you are doing at the moment. Just imagine having a steady income as a freelance writer, and you can write from the comfort of your country, of your village, of your workplace, or wherever you are in the world. Remember, freelance writing job is also like a remote job, so you don't need to be at work or in that country to be a freelance writer. You can do it anywhere across the globe, and you can work for whatever company or whoever across the globe. If you found this video helpful, please do hit on that like button, subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you will not miss out on our subsequent videos. And let me know on the comment section what your biggest challenge is. Are you a freelance writer? Do you plan on having a side hustle as a freelance writer? Let me know your worry on the comment section, and I'll be right there to assist you however you need me. Remember, your writing journey is just beginning, and with the right tools and the right platforms, you are heading to the top. So keep writing, keep hustling, and see you in our next video. Love you all. Bye-bye.